Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well. Today we got something special. Let me tell you a little story about what happened today. So today we went to Fry's twice, and we went to Safeway to the vending machines, right? First Fry's was out. Safeway out. The second Fry's, we got the last ETB. And we got one booster pack, which Chloe already opened. But she didn't get no good pulls. So, now we're gonna unbox this. So, as you guys know, this is the Mega Evolution. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. I'm sure you guys know what it comes with. It comes with the booklet, and it shows you all the cards you can pull, right? So we were looking at it, and they got some cool cards here. Look, cool stuff. There's a gold Lucario that looks crazy. Look at that guy. You can see it. Look, crazy. Now, if one of us pulls that, amazing, right? Oh yeah, and it comes with the little poster. That's kind of far. Hopefully, let's see. You can see like this. You want to stick it there? All right. Well, let's open these first. We gotta find a little tack. Okay. So, we're gonna pull that, and show everybody what we got. Oh. I might have to pan this down a little bit so you guys can see. Super Mario World, Super Nintendo World, Yoshi Cup. This is Chloe's, but I'm using it right now. I'm drinking some coffee. We got that Universal. If you guys haven't gone to Universal, to the Nintendo World, you definitely should go. It's so cool. Oh, baby. Yeah, we went twice. Anyways, let's continue. So, it comes with a coin. Put it like here. There you go. Lucario shiny coin. It comes with dice. I'll show them the dice. Okay, well, pack of dice. The blue EX. Yep. It comes with your energy cards. You can open the energies? You can open the energies? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. We usually don't open them, but yeah. Oh, and it comes with a promo card.
My promo.
Yeah, it's Chloe's promo. She always gets the promos. I never get the promos.
Yeah, you do. You got a promo once.
Once? Okay, I got it once.
Remember you got a box of Pokémon?
Palkia? I got that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I stand corrected. I got it once. Anyways, look. Riolu. It's a cool card.
I can use these.
Very cool. Now, what did we also get? Sleeves. We got sleeves. Look, this is the pack Chloe opened earlier. Nothing. Okay, so we're gonna divide this. So Chloe already opened one, and this comes with 9. So we gotta make it fair, right? So I already have 5, baby. So she's gonna open 4. I'm gonna open 5 because she got this one, so that would make it 5. She always chooses who gets which packs. So, which ones are mine? Don't they say you can feel them? Don't they say they feel a little heavier when you get a good one?
This one's kind of heavy.
They all feel the same to me. I don't know, but I seen people do that
This one feels heavy.
on YouTube. They weigh them. They put them in the
Don't you have
on the
this?
scale.
Don't you have one?
I think I do. Yeah, I would. Yeah, I don't know if it's here though. Anyways, let's go. Let's get to it. Do you want to go first?
Same time.
Same time? Oh, same time.
Oh,
Oh, cool. So, we're going to start off with the codes. You guys can have the codes because we don't play this.
not anymore.
Yeah, not anymore. I used to, but my computer broke down. So, wait. I did it backwards. It's the one from the back to the front, right? Okay. So we're going to do this quick. Let's see who pulls anything. Bulbasaur, Trainer. I got a Riolu. This guy. This gold dude. Ooh, Corfish. Corfish. I got this fish. I just pulled this fish yesterday. Kadabra. Moment of truth. Ooh, I got Kyogre. And you got Kangaskhan. Mega Kangaskhan EX. Wow. Look. Nice. Well, I got Kyogre. I'm happy with that because I grew up playing Ruby and Sapphire and I loved Kyogre and Groudon. So I'll consider this a win. A personal win. Okay. It's right there. You might want to sleeve that up. There you go. Well, that's that one. Here, let's clear up some of this. Okay, next, pack number 2. Okay, so code, take a screenshot or pause it. Okay. Steel, Sphero, Magneton, Ivysaur, Piggy, Tree, Executor. Well, that's a cool trainer card. You got Ivysaur?
Yeah.
Nice. And then Dustox. Oh, you got Raikou?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, Ninjask. Forgot his name. And what? Look. What? Look at my. What the? Look, we pulled the same thing. Except this was my last card.
This is my last card.
Oh, except yours is reverse hollow. Ooh, what is that? Let's see. Premium Power Pro. That is cool. Look at that. That is sweet. It's a cool card. Nice, baby. You got 2 good ones already. Nice. Here, I'm gonna sleeve it for you, okay?
I drink all the orange juice for you, okay?
You drink what?
All the orange juice.
Oh, okay, that's good. I told you to finish it. Okay, well, Raikou and Kyogre.
Those are rare ones at least.
Yeah, at least they're cool Pokemon. And they're Pokemon that I grew up with. So I like it. Alright.
They're green instead of black.
Yeah, they're green now.
And it has a Pikachu.
And they have Pikachu, yep. Okay. Sidekick. This, what is that, a bear or a cub? What's a lion? It's a
That's a
lion, huh?
lion.
Leo, it's a cub. This ghosty, Sandshrew, and Tangrowth. The gold guy
I
again.
don't know what that is.
Oh look, I got what you got, except normal.
Yeah. See?
What is that? Curlia. This my reverse? Yeah. I don't know who this is. Reverse Hollow, Mystery Garden. Oh my god. Yveltal? I've never seen this Pokemon. What you get? Alakazam. Just normal hollows. Well. Okay. You got one last one, right? And I have two left. So.
Can I open your last one?
Yeah. Corey's gonna open my last one. Oh wait. I put the code card in front. Okay, code card. Okay. Water energy. Heliolisk. This guy, Corfish, Fearow, Magnet Zone. Yeah, Magnet Zone. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. Reverse Hollow. Ooh, Delibird.
What's in the back?
Ooh, hold on. Hold on. We gotta go with this one first. Wait, what do you got? You got one last one? Ooh, who is that? Latias, no way. Here, show them. Mega Latias. Oh my god. That looks cool. Alright, last one. Steelix.
I have the coolest cards.
At least I got a, what's this called? Full art, right?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Little Delibird. Remember how Team Rocket has a Delibird?
Yeah.
And they just throw those little bombs.
Present.
Yeah, present bombs. Okay, so at least I got a full art.
I got
Now, this is my last pack. Chloe's gonna be
Can I open it?
gonna go through it. Yep. There we go. And some coffee. Yummy. Fire. Well, that was a Sandshrew. Spearow. Magneton. I don't know who that is. Let's reboot. Enter trainer card. The piggy. The lion. Fire lion. Fire roar. Okay, reverse hollow Baniri. Oh no. Lupani. And Lunatone. Well guys, that was it. Chloe got some good pulls. Some cool stuff. I only got the Delibird. Here, let's show all our pulls.
It's sleeping right.
Is that the Latias?
Yeah.
Latios? Chloe got all the cool ones. You picked the good ones. That's good. Well guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. We're gonna be making more Pokemon videos. We're gonna be doing other videos where we go around different places. Like we just went to round 1, which we made a video. We're gonna upload it soon. Did a challenge, $50 challenge at round 1. We took $50 each, and well, it was $100 total, and we split it in half. $50 each to see who got the most plushies from the claw machines. So it was close. One of us one by one. Okay, but you gotta watch the video. Okay, one was 1 by 1. So it was a close one. So tune in. Thank you guys. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you guys get good pulls if you have Pokemon cards. And adios.